Welcome back with another video, guys. Today I'm going to discuss first, before we discuss anything, so how beautiful weather is. Today is very sunny day and shiny. Look at this. Oh my, this is awesome view. Look at the sky, is very beautiful. Look at this. I'm standing back toward the sun. The sun is there. Look at this. It's very beautiful sunshine after a long span of winter. Oh my days, I'm enjoying myself, buddy. I'm enjoying Paul G. So what we're going to discuss today, today I'm going to tell you in my video how to create your custom channel link and how to make a subscriber link for your videos. So before any further delay, we're going to have a look on my laptop, so I will show you the procedure. This is a very short video. If you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe my channel, guys. What are you waiting for? I'm here. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Okay, let's get back to my laptop. So guys, I'm on my laptop screen. Look at this. There's a Geo channel. This is when you open your YouTube studio, on the left bar they were saying customization. There's a customization. When I click that link, it will send you to the channel customization. So how you will get your channel link? Your channel link, it should be look like this or something else with the long one, because I'm the custom studio, so that's why they're paying me studio and plus. So when we go back to basic information, is a channel description. We go down, they were saying channel URL, but we are not see any custom URL thing. Why? Now I open a page, scroll down a little bit, and there's no option coming for custom URL. There's a channel URL, there's no custom option is coming. So we click on more. When we click on more, what YouTube help community is saying, find your channel URL. When you click on YouTube Studio, another window will open. This is here. Get a custom channel URL. Custom URL isn't easy to remember. What's eligibility? A lot of people confusing on this. To create a custom URL for your YouTube channel, your account needs to have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded profile picture, have uploaded banner image. I'm going to tell you another thing, how to make a subscriber link, the short one. You can open a private window, and this is, I have another YouTube channel, so I paste the link in the website here. So what I do, I will copy this one and comes to the website quickly. So I already paste this link here. So I paste this, and what this website will do, short. So here it is, guys. So this website is created a short link. When I press this one, and it's already created a short link. So what I do here, let me search the Google. So I will paste that link here. When I press enter, so guys, I paste this link here in a private window, YouTube and my custom URL. So what I do, when I paste this link in a private window, and what I do, I'm just going to enter it now. It will send you my YouTube channel, and look at this, confirm channel subscription. So this link will come up there. So hopefully you understand what I did and you will like this video. So guys, this is a small video for you. Hopefully you like this video and you will subscribe my channel, and I'm going to enjoy my weather. Subscribe my YouTube channel hbmptv. Till then, take care and bye bye.